Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
AI is like a genie. It has infinite power, but very less common sense. If you aren't specific, you might end up as the sandwich. AI chatbots are large language models. They read the internet, but they don't know facts. They just predict the next word. It's a game of probability. Ask a question, it calculates the most likely next words. It's just a fancy autocomplete. In computer science, we say, garbage in, garbage out. If your prompt is vague or confusing, the answer will be trash. Tip number 1, give it a job. Tell the AI, act as a pirate or a scientist. This sets the tone and style of the answer. Tip number 2, provide context. Don't just say write an email. Say, write an email asking for a science extension. Tip number 3, set constraints. Say no slang or use bullet points. Limits make the AI smarter. Sometimes it needs examples. That's few-shot prompting. Say, here are 3 examples, now do the 4th. For hard logic, tell the AI, think step by step. This forces the model to show its work, which drastically reduces mistakes. Warning, AI makes stuff up. That's called hallucination. It sounds real, so always fact-check. You rarely get it right the first time. Iterate. Look at the answer, tweak your prompt, and ask again. It's an engineering cycle. You can control the complexity. Ask it to explain like I'm 5, or summarize for a college professor. Don't settle for walls of text. Ask for a format. Give me a table, write a Python script, or make a list. Be careful of the context window. AI has a short memory. If the conversation gets too long, it might forget what you said at the start. It's a great coding partner. Paste your broken code and ask, why is this failing? It's like having a tutor in your pocket. The perfect formula? Persona, task, context, format. Master this, and you master the machine. AI won't replace you, but a human using AI will have an advantage over one who doesn't. So learn to speak the language of the future.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.